this is voltage. We have a York unit today to repair. What's happening? The inducer drops motor and the fan is keep running on this unit. I'm going to see what's happening on this unit. So the unit sparks, but there's no flame coming to this unit. This York unit right here, it's blowing fan, cold air down to the building, and the spark is keep happening. My pilot tube has a flame on it. I can see from here. You see, I have a flame there on my pilot tube. It's only one flashing here on the control board. So I'm wondering if my gas valve has a power on my MV. So if I go to the schematic diagram here, my MV is 135, 132. Okay, my main gas valve 132 is a blue. Okay, and it's going to PL1-4, 132 blue. I'm gonna see if I have so this is right here, and I just want to see if I have power there with the ground on my multimeter. Excuse me. So there's my number 4 terminal on the board and the ground. So I have 0 volts here. So I do not have power coming from my pilot main power to the gas valve. Turn on the main these burners. So I am assuming this is a control board here. So I'm going to change the control board on that unit, and I will catch you back. To change the control board on this is ignition control board on this unit, and right there that's the main control board. So the MV wire is one coming from the number 4 here on the ignition control board. From here 4, it's sending a signal back to this main board, which is here. If you see MV there, so it's sending signal back there. If I don't have 24 volts coming out from there to my main valve, my burners are not coming on, and obviously I don't have feedback for this control. So I'm going to replace that control board now. There is no such mark as burnt or anything like that. And this is my new control board. It's a S1-03-10916-1000. That's a number for the board. Guys, always use, if it's York unit, always use source 1 parts. Always use OEM parts. Don't use any replacement or whatever parts, because original manufacturer parts are right parts for the right machine. Okay guys, I'm gonna change this control board. Let me unboxing this guy here. I'm gonna change this control board right here. So that's a control board, the new one. So I'm going to change that and catch you back. 3 FS, and my inducer is this one here, and that's my L1, and here's my ignition right here. Okay, and that's my inducer. That's my main harness. So main harness, and that's my inducer plugs here. Okay, so that's my inducer, and that's it. All the wires are in. So I'm gonna turn the unit on and see what's happening. So here's my motor is coming, and now I should have power on my MV boards here. Let's see, spark will happen. Okay guys, that's it for today for this rooftop unit. It's a little bit tricky because there's no, sometimes you don't get any codes like diagnostic codes, so you have to be check with the schematic diagram. That's it for I think for tonight guys. Today is December 30th and tomorrow is a New Year Eve. Guys, I just wish you, all of you, has a prosper happy new year. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, this factor. If you required any service for your heating and cooling or any ventilation services, just give me a call. My number is 647-283-1872. Thank you guys, thanks, happy new year.